Hey guys, I'm back with another exhaust video. This time it's gonna be full on straight pipe. I put on my test pipes that I have, ARC performance test pipes. And I also got headers, so no more catalytics. It's a 3.8 liter 2012 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. And yeah, it's gonna be just a cold start right here, and then some revs, 3K revs and 5K revs. So here we go. Alright, so that's how it sounds. So to the guy that said in the comments that there's never a car that's too loud, well, that's how it sounds, and that's a bit too loud for me, so I'm putting back on my catalytics, but I wanted to just show him how loud it was.